Alright. From a point on the ground, so let's draw the ground. So I'm practicing, even though you guys saw the picture, I'm practicing showing you how to draw one. From a point on the ground, "47 feet away from the foot of a tree." So I'm going to draw a tree. From the foot of the tree. Foot means like the bottom, or another word might be the base. Base, bottom. So this is 47 feet. The angle of elevation to the top. So here's the top of the tree. Think of when you go to the mall or you go to a tall building, you take an elevator. You need an elevator because you have multiple stories. Well, I need to go up. So the angle of elevation is, pretend you're just lying down here. And then your eyes are being elevated to the top, okay, of the tree, is 35 degrees. Find the height of the tree to the nearest foot. So in my tree, I'm going to assume the tree is not falling down, it's not slanted, right? It's perpendicular to the ground, so I'm going to assume that it's a right triangle. It wants to find the height of the tree, so I'm going to call that h. That's kind of confusing, huh? I want you guys to think of it as the hypotenuse, so we'll call it x. And then you just go through and use your trigonometry skills. I think the only hard part is identifying, is drawing that picture, and eventually I'm going to take away that picture, but I gave it to you in this problem, but we drew one together. Let's go ahead and label our sides. So I'm going to start where? Where do I start? 35 degrees. Label your sides. This one is the... This one?
Adjacent.
This one?
Our partners.
Partner A tell partner B. Which trig ratio are we going to use?
Opposite over adjacent. No, opposite over.
Louis, which trig ratio are we using? Louis, how come we're using tangent?
Because we have the opposite and the adjacent.
Yeah, notice how the opposite has a variable, has something. Adjacent has another puzzle clue. Hypotenuse does not. So he says we have the opposite over the adjacent. And our angle is 35. So if you need some kind of like a fill in the blank to help you find your trig ratio, angle, and then your ratio, just fill it in. Tangent 35. Class, what's the opposite? And adjacent? Now I'm just going to cross multiply. Class, what do I get? X equals it's my calculator ready equation. Let's pull out our calculators. And it tells us to round to the nearest foot, so x is approximately 33 feet. Box your answers. Make sense of the problem. 33. Yeah, I'm gonna assume maybe that's like less than 60 degrees, right? That angle. So it's definitely got to be less, right? So 60 degrees compared to 30 degrees is just a ratio, so that sounds reasonable.